Hi! In this video, we will learn how to make verbs agree with subjects. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The verb shows the action of the subject. Present tense verbs tell what is happening now. How do you know which present tense verb to use with a subject? Ask, is the subject of the sentence singular or plural? Usually, you add s to the verb for a singular subject. The racer runs on the track. Here, the subject, racer, is a singular noun. There is just one. The verb needs an s. If the subject is plural, you do not add s. Here, there are 3 racers, so our verb does not have an s. Sometimes you might need to add es to a singular verb. If the verb ends with s, sh, ch, x, or z, add es. The verb toss ends with s, so we add es. Pat tosses the ball. The verb dash ends with sh. Add es to make the subject and verb agree. Jaden dashes to the base. Munch ends with ch. Add es. A bird munches seeds. Buzz ends with z. Again, add es to make the subject and verb agree. A bee buzzes by. Read these sentences. Which sentence has a verb that agrees with its subject? Sentence 2. The subject they is plural, so its verb does not need s or es. Sing is the plural verb. And that's how you make verbs agree with subjects. See you next time.